Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of denied account on the application of Chase app. We will go to settings, this first page of settings. Here on this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will go to Chase app and you will click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone, so please don't forget to